Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo in Velvet Red Pearl. With dark headlamp bezel finish, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and cross-path detection, dark lens tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 10,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 7003A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.